Hello and welcome to today's presentation of the Atlatos Hotel Search. At the beginning, we start here at the Atlatos starting page, and with a click on the button Hotel on top, we're joining into the hotel search. At first, we need to fill in the city of destination. For our example today, it will be Winnipeg, Canada, and our arrival date will be the 17th of March, and we will return at the 19th of March. You also have the option to fill in here a hotel name if you search for a special hotel. In our case today, we're searching for Best Western hotels. You can add here some price stars and limits. The desired category and the star category of the hotel are also available. In our case today, we just stay here with Winnipeg, the dates, and the Best Western. With a click on the search button, we are going forward to get our results. The hotels are here listed also by price. So for our example, we select here the Best Western Winnipeg Airport Hotel, and with a click on hotel details, we get into the rate informations. We have here the option to see some pictures of the hotel. We have here some hotel informations, equipment informations, and directions where you can see the hotel on a map. Back to rooms and prices, where you can select your favorite rates. For our case, we stay here with the standard room, a queen bed, non-smoking, fridge, and a standard room. The cancellation is not possible in our case. This information will always displayed here. And the same with the breakfast informations. The breakfast information is all time displayed here under the price. When we scroll down, we will find more rates, and at the bottom of the page, we have the button Book to proceed our booking into our last step of the hotel search. We have here again the overview of our bookings. We have the hotel, we have the room and the rates that we're going to book. We have again the reason for our trips, for example, a cost center and a personal number. The customer data are already filled in from our user profile. We have the credit card information, the type of payment that needs to be filled in here. And the last steps again, accept the terms and conditions and finish the booking with the button Yes, book with an obligation to pay. Thank you very much and have a good day.